LLM applications usually don't fail because of the latency or errors. They fail because the answers slowly change, quality drops, or cost suddenly shoots up while the infrastructure looks healthy. That is why we build Vitals. Vitals is a AI monitoring layer built on the top of Signos. It watches 13 production matrices across behavior, quality, and cost, then combines them into a simple verdict like warming, steady, and changed to detect AI regression automatically. Instead of checking every request on its own, Vital continuously compares the current behavior with a healthy baseline. When enough matrices move together beyond the normal range, it marks the system has changed and sends stat information to Signos through a dashboard and alerts. This helps engineer catch the problem much earlier. We tested it on 4 real failure scenarios, built 3 dashboards, and added a vertex-based alerts and connected it to the cloud through MCP, so engineer can investigate incidents using the natural language. Now let's see the Vital detects AI regression live. We are looking at our RAG app service inside Signos. Every LLM request is already instrumented with the open telemetry, so we can inspect the complete execution phase, including GenAI attributes like the model, token usage, latency. Vitals does not require a separate data pipeline. It works directly on the telemetry that's already being collected. Vitals continuously evaluates this telemetry in the background. Right now the service is healthy, so current verdict is steady. We are replaying the failure scenario as the behavior changes. Multiple production matrices moves away from the healthy baseline. Once they cross the configured threshold, Vitals automatically change the verdict from steady to changed. This happens automatically without manually writing rules for the specific scenario. The dashboard explains why the verdict changed. Instead of only showing latency or errors, it compares the dashboard behavior with the baseline and highlights where the regression happened. This gives engineers enough context to understand the problem before users start reporting it. The same verdict also triggers a Signos alert, so monitoring workflow fits naturally into the existing observability stack. Since we are exposed to Signos through MCP, an AI agent can investigate production data using natural language. Instead of manually searching dashboard and traces, engineer can ask questions in plain English and get a summary backed by live observability data. That's Vital, an AI native monitoring layer for Signos that decides behavior changes, explains them through dashboards and alerts, and makes the investigation much faster. Thank you.